Got a new project. Got a 1987 Suzuki 230. Got this for 150. Four ropes messed up, but battery's dead. Needs a new starter solenoid and a new one of these high and low switch. I accidentally broke that off, but I guess it doesn't matter. Yeah, I got this for about 150. So engine's in the rough shape. It's been outside for a minute. I got the fuel pump out right now because we were trying to get it working, and we finally got it to work and turn on. So we ordered up a new fuel pump, new battery, new solenoid. But yeah, just need to clean it up, do a refresh on it. Be good as new, just about. Got some rust down here. That's always nice to have, right? Shit. Got some nice rims on it. Got some new tires. Nice rims, new tires. This one doesn't hold air, or the other one doesn't hold air. Got a small leak in it. Need to fix that. But besides that, it's all good. But what I found weird was like the gas tank is back here, so this whole part from here to there is the gas tank. But yeah, nice little thing. We still got the Honda 4-Tracks here. That thing's a beast. Ain't nothing wrong with that. That thing ready to go. But yeah, all right.